Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to another video. So if you would like to know how I am creating this chicken recipe, let's get started. So like I always say, you can always start off with whatever chicken you like. For this particular recipe, I am using chicken thighs. Now, if you would like to know the actual seasonings I am using for this recipe, I will make sure I leave it in the description box below. Now, I am using the seasonings that I would like for this chicken recipe, and also when I am done seasoning the chicken, I am going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on top because I am going to bake it on 350 so I can have a good crisp as I make my sauce and place it back in the oven just to bake for a little bit more. So it should look like this after you add your flour and your seasoning. You're going to get you a baking sheet, foil down. If not, you don't have to, but I always use foil because I don't like a mess. Place them flat down so they can get ready to go in the oven. And like I said, I placed it in the oven on 350 for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now, after they come out of the oven, they're going to look like this, but we're going to get ready to make the sauce. So we're going to start off with some butter, some garlic. I also have some chopped red peppers, and like always, I always freeze my peppers, and I also have my green onions that I freeze. When I get my vegetables, I freeze them and get them done and over with. So I'm adding some paprika in this secret sauce, the chili sauce. The chili sauce, yes, that's what made it pop. So I'm adding some chili sauce and some honey and some more butter. So I'm gonna give this a good old stir and just let it cook nice and slow. Stir it not too high because you don't want to burn the butter. You're actually making a butter sauce using the chili sauce, so you want to make sure you do not put the stove on high. So you're just going to stir it and stir it and stir it until it's completely melted. And once it's melted, it should look like this. Now I just went in and I am going to add some dried chives or parsley, whatever you have. I think that's all I had available, so I just added it in there, and I'm going to give it a stir. And I'm going to get my grandma cast iron skillet. This is old, yes, I still use it. And I'm going to place the chicken in there. I'm going to top it with the sauce, and you're going to still leave the oven on. Don't turn the oven off. So it should look like this. Now you're going to place this baby back in the oven, and you're going to let it cook for about no more than 15 minutes. Okay, now it's going to go in the oven, and once it come out of the oven, it's going to look like this. Y'all, this was so good. So I'm gonna bring a close-up, but try this recipe. Let me know how you like it. And like always, thank you for watching my videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you stay tuned for the next video. And like I said, I am going to bring a piece of that thigh to the camera so you can see what it's looking like. All right, y'all. Y'all be blessed and have a good one.